In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to the Product Media Gallery in Shopify Sense Theme. Sense fully supports Shopify's product media feature, which means you can show images, videos, and even 3D models right in your product gallery. Adding a video is straightforward, and by the end of this walkthrough, your customers will be able to watch it directly on the product page. Start in your Shopify Admin and head to Products. Choose the product you want to enhance with a video. On the product page, scroll down until you see the Media section. This is the same place you normally upload images, and it also accepts video. To add a video from your computer, click Upload Media, sometimes labeled Upload New, or simply drag and drop the file into the media area. Shopify supports MP4, MOV, and WebM. For the smoothest playback on most devices and browsers, MP4 is a safe choice. Keep the file size within Shopify's allowed limits, and consider compressing the video so it loads quickly for shoppers. Short, focused clips work best, such as product overviews, quick demonstrations, or close-ups of key features. If you already uploaded the video to your store's files, select Existing and pick it from your file library. This keeps your media organized and avoids duplicate uploads. If your video lives on YouTube or Vimeo, look for the Add from URL option in the media area. Paste the link, and Shopify will attach that external video to your product gallery. Depending on your admin, you might see this option labeled slightly differently, and availability can vary. Either way, it saves storage and leverages the streaming performance of those platforms. After adding the video, click Save on the product page. This step is easy to overlook, but it's the key that makes your changes go live. Once saved, your video appears among the product's media thumbnails, right alongside your images. When shoppers click it, the video will play using Shopify's built-in HTML5 or embedded player, and everything will display naturally within the Sense theme. Give Shopify a moment to process the file if you uploaded it directly. Larger videos may take a short time before they're fully playable. For best results, use clear lighting, concise narration or captions, and a clean background so your product remains the focus. That's it. You've added a video to your product media gallery in the Sense theme, making your product page more engaging and more informative for your customers.